The things you do for YouTube. Alright, come now, I'm ready. No, alright, come ready. Hey guys, this video is a follow-up from my previous wash day routine, so if you haven't seen that video, then you can check it out if you want to. So that's how I slept with my hair, with 4 big twists, and I just put some oil in it and pin them down to keep it stretched. Here I'm loosening the twist, and I'm just going to add my leave-in conditioner that has a lot of slip because you're going to need that for this hairstyle. So as you can see, my hair is stretched, and you'll see later on in the video why that's very necessary. So I'm adding another hair butter because your hair needs to be moisturized, but I'm just mainly adding this to my ends and to my edges because we're not trying to lose our edges. I'm using the coconut oil eco styler gel, no specific reason, this is just the one I had, and don't mind the hair in my knockoff Denman brush and a regular other brush for smoothing. So I wanted a center part, so I just ensured that my part is straight, and now I'm just smoothing on the gel to my edges so we can begin. Now I'm using the Denman brush to detangle my roots, if that makes any sense to you. I just want my roots to be flat. This doesn't necessarily smooth my hair, but because this is a sleek style, you want your roots to be flat. So that's why I'm using the Denman brush. And if your hair isn't moisturized properly, there's no way that you'll be able to get the Denman brush through your roots like this. So that's why I say your hair needs to be stretched, one, and you need to use a leave-in conditioner that has a lot of slip, and your hair just needs to be really moisturized since we're doing a lot of brushing. So I'm just feeling to see if there are any bumps, and it wasn't all that smooth, so I went back over it with my Denman brush, and I just continued brushing and brushing until it felt detangled, and then I went over it again with my brush to smooth it out. You want to use a hair tie that can't break because you're going to be pulling it really tight, and if it breaks you're going to just have to start over, so might as well use one like this. So yeah, that's my little puff. You can add weave if you want, but I'm just using my own hair, and I want my hair to be textured. I want the bun to be textured, so I'm adding a little bit of eco styler to the ends of my hair, and I'm just going to brush it again with my Denman brush to get it to curl. So when I fold it under, it will have a little bit of texture at the top. So I just hold the ends together and fold it under, and I'm just pinning it. I'm pinning the bun onto itself. I'm not pinning it to my scalp because my hair is not that long to wrap around, you know. So that's what it's looking like so far. And for my edges now, because I want it to be laid, I'm just adding a little bit more gel, and I'm going to smooth it out once again. And this is why, guys, your hair needs to be moisturized, because we're doing a lot of brushing, and if you do this every day, I can guarantee you that you won't have any edges, because the whole headphones I got pick off. This is my second time doing it, and the last time I did it was in October. If you want it to be snatched for the entire day, you have to tie it down and leave it to dry so that it won't freeze up throughout the day. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Turn around. No.
So?
You're gone over to the side too much. You can't see?
No, I can't see.
Okay. Show the other side now, no? Yes. Yes.
Don't forget.
Yeah. Stay there. Bend down a little bit. Up. To your right. Other way.